Time for a reality check. What's the worst that could happen? If this is your answer, then this is your multi-tool. But if you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center-Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope, keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center-Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center-Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
Hi, I'm Alex Kelsey from Leatherman Tool Group in Portland, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about some of the unique features of our Sidekick multi-tool. The Sidekick is constructed of 420 stainless steel. It has features such as needle nose, regular pliers, knife blades, file, saw, a total of 15 different tools in all. Some of the unique features of the Sidekick are spring action pliers, which make it easy to tighten and loosen things with one hand, push-through access, which allow quick and easy accessibility to your internal tools, and outside accessible blades. Sidekick is covered by our industry-leading 25-year warranty. For more information about our warranty or other Leatherman products, visit us online at leatherman.com, or if you're ever in Portland, Oregon, stop by for a plant tour so you can see firsthand how the Sidekick is made.
This is the Gerber Span shotgun tool. It contains 14 essential repair and maintenance tools commonly needed in the field. Its unique solid-state design allows for maximum leverage, and the black ceramic-coated 420 high-carbon steel will stand up to any conditions. The solid-state tool includes a choke tube wrench, 3 commonly used 6-point box end wrenches, and a windage and elevation driver. The reverse has a robust 1/4-inch magnetic bit driver with hammer face, as well as a bottle opener. The removable bit holder securely contains 6 standard bits, including 1/8 and 3/16 inch slot, Phillips number 1 and number 0, 3/16 and 1/8 inch hex. It also includes a 1/8 inch pin punch. Quiet, compact, and essential in the field. If you have a shotgun, you need this tool. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the Span shotgun tool.
Draw me closer to your side. Take